Hey YouTubers, I'm just taking apart this printer, and I just took all the ink cartridges out, and this printer is pretty big. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's red, no, blue. That one's red, that one's black, and that one's yellow. And they are huge. And the ball in there that goes around gets all the ink and everything out or print into the paper is huge. And this printer is huge too. Half not even started on it. So yeah, I just traded a bike to my friend, and I rebuilt for a banana bike, and yeah, that's a nice bike. Going to be sweet when I get it. I am probably today or something. Plus the A-frame that I have. So yeah, that's all been happening around here about and loading scrap up today. And got trailer half full already. Scrap is really going down. And freezer and bunch of other stuff that we are going to load up to. And more trailer loads full of scrap, because in between the garage and the shed there's a bunch of prepared steel that we're going to load. And yeah, got a free dehumidifier, and it works. I don't know how much I want to sell it for, but I got research. See how much it's worth and everything. And that's about all I've been doing around here. So yeah, bye. See you in the next video.